How to set APN access. Point name settings in your smartphone. Your favorite network internet settings. 4G, 5G network settings for Android. Please all network watching full video.
Go to mobile phone settings. SIM and network settings. Choose your SIM card reset app. Access point name. Add new APN. Name.
Please capital letters, small letters very important.
APN. Proxy not set, port not set. Username. Password not set. Server.
Now put in server. www.google.com. MMSC not set.
MMS proxy not set. MMS port not set. Authentication type PAP or CHAP. APN protocol IPv4/IPv6. APN roaming protocol IPv4/IPv6. Bearer. Now save APN settings. Keep watching related APN videos. Next up.
Second fast internet settings. Please watch in the video.